Hi guys, I'm Joy. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing my 3 secret ingredients I usually use to achieve a delicious yam pottage or yam porridge as you may call it, popularly known as Asaro. So sit back and enjoy. The full ingredient I'll be using will be at the description box, so please feel free to check it out. I'm actually using 1 tuber of yam. I've washed it already. I'll just gently cut it into large circles. This will enable me to peel it very fast and easy. I'll further cut the yam into smaller sizes. Guys, if you're using the kind of yam that easily change color while cutting, I advise you have a bowl of water close by so that as you cut, you just gently dip it into the water to reduce the color change effect. Alright, I'm done cutting. I'll just take the yam to my sink, then give it a quick rinse. Next, I'll gently transfer all the yam pieces into the pot, then add water. For porridge, you don't want to use too much water. Your water level should be slightly above the yam or same level with the yam. Alright, I'll just allow it to cook. And while that's cooked, I'll just go ahead and prep all my ingredients because yam porridge don't take so long. And please, if you're new to this channel or probably you're hearing my voice for the first time, this will be a perfect moment for you to hit the subscribe button down below so you can be instantly notified whenever we upload new videos. Please do ensure you like, share and leave me a comment after watching the video. Thank you very much. Alright, I'll also be adding some tomatoes, some scratch bonnet pepper, more onion and little water to my blender, then cover and blend till pureed. Okay, after about 15 minutes, the yam is 60% cooked. I'll just go ahead and add the ingredients. I'll be adding the tomato pepper blend mix and some shredded dry fish. I've actually washed and deboned it already. And guys, this is actually my first secret ingredient. I love the flavor dry fish adds to my porridge yam. I'll also be adding some onion, some grounded crayfish, some seasoning cubes and some salt to taste. I'll just give everything a quick mix, then allow it to cook. For my yam porridge, I usually love to add some ripe plantains to it. It gives it this rich sweet taste. But if you want to use unripe ones, I advise you add it a little bit earlier so it could cook properly with the yam. I just gently cut them up. Okay, I'll just transfer the plantains into the pot. And guys, this is actually my second secret ingredient. I'll also be adding some palm oil at this level. Then mix everything and allow it to cook for 5 extra minutes. Okay, yam porridge is gradually coming together. I'll just add the vegetables at this level. And guess what guys, I'll be adding some carrots, some green beans and green bell pepper. I know most of us don't add it to our porridge, but trust me, this combination is one you must try. It comes out perfectly well for me, most especially the green bell pepper. I love the taste it adds. And that's actually my 3rd secret ingredient. I'll further add some pumpkin leaf to it. You can choose to add spinach. I'll just mix everything together. If you want your porridge to be a little bit runny, you can add little water to it, but I love the consistency of mine. I'll just allow it for 2 extra minutes before removing from heat in order to retain the nutrients of the vegetables. And guys, our yam porridge is pretty much ready. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. Thank you very much for watching. Just before you go, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below if you haven't subscribed. And turn on the bell notification so you can be instantly notified whenever we upload new videos. Please do ensure you like, share, and leave me a comment. See you all next time with another exciting recipe. Do remember to eat healthy and stay healthy.